How to get energy in Temu Hat Trick. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to quickly and effectively get energy in the game Temu Hat Trick. Whether you are a beginner or looking for advanced strategies, this guide will help you boost your energy levels and enhance your gameplay experience. Energy is crucial for progressing in Temu Hat Trick, as it allows you to perform actions and complete tasks. There are several ways to gain energy, and knowing them will help you optimize your gameplay. Log into the game daily to claim your energy rewards. Check for special events that may offer additional energy boosts. Regularly check the quest board for available missions. Focus on completing quests that yield high energy rewards. Prioritize quests that align with your current level to maximize efficiency. Look for items in the game that can provide energy boosts. Some items can be crafted or purchased within the game. Always keep an eye out for limited time energy boosts during events. Engage in multiplayer activities where energy can be shared or earned. Join a community or group where players exchange tips on energy management. Be strategic about how you use your energy. Avoid wasting it on low reward tasks. Plan your gameplay sessions around energy availability for maximum efficiency. To sum up, increasing your energy in Temu Hat Trick involves daily logins, completing quests, utilizing energy boost items, engaging with other players, and managing your energy wisely. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience and level up your strategy effectively. Happy gaming!